Hey friends, how are you? So today I will show you how to create 100% free web hosting and website in for any of the business. So let's start with that. So first of all, I have mentioned here step by step everything. First of all, go to the Google, write down 000 web host. Okay, once you can write down here, you will find this. Okay, so go to the directly login if you having a login. So right now I am creating new login. So I click on that. Once I can click on that, go to the sign in button, press the sign in button, and once you can press the sign in button, the website will be open. The website is little bit okay. Now our website is open. Once this website will be open, then what to do? First of all, make your login here. So I can use sign up directly here. Click on the sign up. Use your any email ID, like I'm using Ajay Mishra designer at gmail.com. Give any password to here. Reset. Okay, so I have given the password. Now signing. If you want to save the password, you can save it. So because many people are making, once you can find this window on same websites, you should go to the your website and you'll find one verification email. Open that verification, click on verify email. Once you can verify your email, again you will get one more email. Okay, so I have mentioned here, first of all create login, then verify email, then again check your email and start building websites. Okay, so what happened now, I have verifying email here. Maybe I'll get one more email directly here very soon. Let's check, refresh it. So once it will verify, I will get one more email. This is a verification email. So only this may it take some time, otherwise remaining things are working very properly on this one. Let's go to there again, refresh it. Yes, great. So I have find this email right now. If you open this email, okay, you'll find this start building websites. Okay, you can click on that start building. Once you can click on that, will reach to another page. You can close this window, no need of that. Now it depends on your internet speed how it's work. So again, let's create some magic or someone. Let's go to the download. Let's click on that. Once you can click on that, you will reach here this learn from web, building online store, create web design, or a lot of things are there. Or you can click on the others also, you can find it. Again, it will ask you what's your website's name, what you require. So Ajay UI UX. Suppose my website's name is Ajay UI UX. Okay, this is my password. If you want to save this password, you can save somewhere. I'm saying this for some time. Okay, now Ajay UI UX, and right now submit this. Again, it will take some time. Yeah, so if this name is not available, it's showing like this one. So okay, write then Ajay UI UX. Ajay UI UX designer. Okay, now let's check this name. This name is already being taken. Okay, so let's Ajay web designer Pune. Let's start this one. So you can check your name here very properly. You can give some meaningful name here, like because I am a designer only, so I am using this type of word. So let's check whether this name is available or not. So it's rendering. So maybe this name is available. Okay, this name website has been created. Okay, now after that one, where to reach? You can reach in this folder. Now click on the install WordPress. Okay, so step 4. What is step 4? Step 4 is install WordPress. Okay, so you can directly click on another section also, like if you're having any websites ready-made, you can upload from here, but right now you don't know anything, so I'm creating everything from the zero. So you can click to install WordPress. Okay, once you can click on the install WordPress, it will again ask you the user password. You can give any user password, like I'll giving my name. Okay, now install. The username is admin, so you can save whatever your password is there to install WordPress. So again, installing the WordPress will take little bit time because it's a big software. Okay, so I'll skip this particular video for. Okay, so now WordPress is already installed. Let's check. So go to the configuration page. If you want to click on there, you can click in directly there, and in here you can find this login window again. So have you remember your password or not? You should click here, and I don't know what's my password is there. Let's check. Okay, so guys, please remember your password. Okay, then save if you require the password. Then right now you will reach over here. Okay, in this window. So have you seen, I don't know whether you have seen or not, WordPress. So everything is like this WordPress. It's a real WordPress site. You can click some advertisement if you find some, because it's a free, so you'll find lot of advertisement here. For that you can click on the upper side and you can off this all the thing. We don't require this one. Like great, good. So this is wonderful. So now everything is plain. I don't have anything right now. So how to make the websites? Okay, in the dashboard. Right now I'm in the dashboard. So I'll give you these steps in description box. So that's why I'm writing here. So we have follow already. We have did create login. We have verify email. We have checked our email and start building website. We have installed the WordPress. Now we come to the WordPress dashboard. So now to do. So again, this is another step. So again, this is another step. Now install. Okay, so what to do in this thing, I will tell you. First of all, go to this dashboard. Okay, this dashboard, go to the plugin. Okay, this plugin section, and go to the install plugins. Okay guys, so install plugins, you can here you can find some ready-made plugins. A lot of plugins are there. Yes, under construction. So I don't require this one. I don't require this one. So if you want a WP form, I require. Some of the plugins you can delete. This Google Analytics support you require or not. All-in-one WP migration. You can delete this all the plugins. Drop down here and delete. So in this section we require only 3 plugins. Remaining plugin you have to delete. I'll show you. So go to the plugins and step second, delete. Okay, delete some unwanted plugins. So right now I have deleted a lot of plugins are deleted. Sometimes you can find these plugins you are not able to delete these plugins. So after deleting you can refresh and let's check how many are there. Okay, so okay right now. Okay, so let's select again why it's not deleting. Okay, great. So you can click here, delete. 1 2 3. I don't require this one also. Okay, now I have 3 plugins. Okay, if you want to delete this you can delete, but it's by default from the this company, so you are not able to delete this one. No problem. So now after deleting this one, you have only 3 plugins here remaining, so no need to know about this. 1 2 and 3. So guys, here I have only 3 plugin. Okay, so now to what to do, first of all go to the add new button, this add new. Okay, add new. So what is the first step? Step 3. Okay, great. So add new buttons, add new plugins. You can find here new window, drop down and write blocks. Block blocks page builder. Okay, the full name is blocks page builder, but you can write the blocks itself. Okay, you can go here, new, step 4. Okay, okay, so you can search the blocks and you can install this. Okay, install the blocks. The full name is blocks page builder. The full name is blocks page builder. Install and activate. Okay, so right now install and activate it. So okay, I'm going to activate it. Okay, so let's check. It will take some time. Let's check. Yes, right now it's activated. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, before that we have only 3 plugins, but right now we have 4 plugins. Okay, great. Now what to do? Next step. What's step 5? Great. Now step 5, go to the pages section, this all pages, and go to directly to add new page. In pages, add new page.